Let's make s'mores in the microwave. You will need marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate. Typically, you would make s'mores while camping over the campfire, but don't let that stop you from making them year-round. Add some graham cracker halves to a microwave-safe plate, then add some chocolate. Next, the marshmallows. There are even square marshmallows that you can buy, which are perfect for s'mores. Place the marshmallows on top of the chocolate. Put the plate in the microwave and microwave on high for 20 to 30 seconds until the marshmallows puff up. My favorite part as a kid was watching the marshmallows expand. Now place another graham cracker half on top and press it down. There it is. That is all there is to it. Then serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website in thekitchenwithmatt.com.